Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix VSC light on a Toyota Corolla 2010. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Check the gas cap for tightness and replace if damaged. Scan the car with an OBD2 reader and record any fault codes. Inspect ABS wheel sensors and wiring for damage or dirt. Clear codes and test drive to see if the VSC light stays off. Many VSC lights come from dirty wheel speed sensors or damaged wiring harnesses. Begin by lifting the car and visually inspecting each sensor and connector. Clean sensors with brake cleaner and secure damaged wiring. Check ABS tone rings for rust or debris and remove buildup carefully. Measure battery voltage and ensure it reads above 4 volts. Replace faulty sensors, then clear codes and perform a short drive. After repairs, clearing codes properly is essential to reset the VSC light. Use an OBD2 scanner to erase stored codes, and then perform a battery disconnect for 10 minutes if needed. Reconnect battery, start the engine, and allow the car to idle for a few minutes so systems recalibrate. Take a 10 to 15-minute test drive, including turns and gentle braking, to verify the light stays out and no new codes appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.